What is up, YouTube? Sealord here from Team Tank Skull, bringing you guys two Ultra Prism booster pack openings. I haven't opened Pokemon in a while, so I apologize for that for all my Pokemon fans. So let's get started with this. Hoping to pull at least something somewhat decent. I haven't really gone through the set, so I don't know much of what's in here, but let's just go through and get this done. Alright. Let's go with this one. Yeah, let's go with this one. Okay. There's that Shinx. Let's do the pack trick. There's the code. Alright. Yeah, that's it, right? Yeah. Alright. Yep. Gumshoe, Spirit Tomb, Palpad, Shinx, Paneri, Toxicroak. Alright, into the next pack. These packs don't want to open so easy today. Alright. Code. Fighting Energy, Mars, Turtonator, Skunky, Eevee, Yanma, Diglett, and Glaceon GX. Wow, that's a very pretty card. Really like it. Huh. Well, this is Sealord from Team Tank Skull. Signing out, everyone. Have a good Pokemon day.